Good evening, everyone. It is February 13th, 2017. We're doing another personal box break for Nick K in the YouTube stream. This time, he's getting some 2015-16 Premier Hockey. That is Upper Deck Premier Hockey. This is from a fresh master case. He chose the right side of the inner case. Then here are the 5 boxes, and he chose the box on top, box 1. So I put a little like scribble on it. But this is it right here. Premier Hockey. So if you too would like a personal box of Premier Hockey, email us at jaspyshockeyland@gmail.com, and then you too can do a personal box with us. So here it is. This was box 1. Remember, guys, these tins may be autographed. So we'll see if this this tin is autographed. I know they put a couple Easter eggs in this product. So I kind of like to slow poke this because wouldn't that be awesome if this tin was autographed? Nope, not this one.
Super utility player for Los Angeles showing our break. Thank you, have a good, healthy start. I don't know why you're joining case breaks. Probably should be getting ready for spring training. One left, folks. One left, folks. Who wants last spot mojo? Michael Castiglione. Or you're asking who he's going to win the next Super Bowl?
All right, Nick. Good luck, man.
Let those Patriots fans enjoy this one for a little bit.
First one is a rookie premier jersey. Is Ryan Hartman for the Blackhawks.
Jason K is last spot mojo? No,
Oh, is that right?
no, Jason K gets
Oh. See, I didn't know that, Bowman. I just knew the tin was autographed.
hashtag sarcasm.
Next one is a rookie premier, Nicholas
What if they did?
Patan,
Certainly be one of the biggest shocks.
382 of 399.
That's for sure.
Oh, did you look it up? Actually, I'm going to look it up too.
Yeah, right. Raiders. What are you guys just assuming that the Patriots are going to win the next one? We'll see in that match in Mexico as if the Patriots are already locked in for next year's Super Bowl.
James Van Riemsdyk.
So another New Englander. Patriots going
That is
back-to-back.
203 of
You
399.
guys are one Brady fibula injury away from the Patriots going to the dark ages for a while.
All right, let's start going to some of these hits.
Dakota Andrews down to Dakota.
Nice patch. That's a rookie premier auto patch. That's Mackenzie Skapski.
Jason
8
K
of 375.
are Cowboys fans. They're saying Cowboys are going to do it.
I know. What have they done with Connor?
But what we're going to do right
Connor's
now,
tough to hit, man. Connor is really hiding, right?
All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody.
I broke with this guy.
Jaspy HobbyLand here, doing the final third of the case of 2016-17.
That is a
Number 9.
mega patch premier chess logos. That's Ryan Kessler for the Ducks. 22 of 26.
And all teams are in. We'll randomize each list 8 times. 4 and 4. 8 times.
Next one
1, 2,
is a rookie premier jersey. That is Jack Eichel.
5, 6, 7, and 8. It was 8 the hard way. 4 and 4. Edward is in pole position, and Jason K is in the 30 spot.
And the last card
And once again,
is a rookie premier's auto for the Blackhawks. That's 9 of 399. That's Kyle Bond.
5, 6, 7, and 8. We got Bulls on top and the Clippers on the bottom. Put it all together, let's see what we got here.
All right, Nick, that was your personal box of Premier Hockey. That's an insane patch, right? What we were saying
All right, so Edward,
for a 375 is a sick patch.
Prester, you got the Grizzlies.
So there you go, Nick. Thanks for getting that personal box of Premier Hockey. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.